Welcome to another exciting segment of our course, AI-powered content creation with NVIDIA AI. In this lecture, we are exploring an amazing feature of NVIDIA AI, which is voice cloning. This tool allows your video to have a consistent, your personalized voice without the need of continuous recording. Voice cloning in NVIDIA AI is a very straightforward process. All you need to do is go to the voice section by clicking on the three lines in your dashboard. Here you can clone your own voice by adding a new voice profile. Simply record a clear 30-second audio clip where you state the provided sentence as well as natural pauses and with using good quality recording gears. Once your voice is cloned and saved with a distinct name, you can use this clone voice in any of your future video project. To simply apply your voice, include the name of your voice clone in your video prompt. This ensures that all of your videos maintain a consistent and personal touch, enhancing your viewers' familiarity and trust with you. Advantages of using AI voice cloning in NVIDIA AI is tremendous. AI voice cloning not only saves hours of recording time, but also personalize your content across various topics. Whether you are creating educational content, marketing videos, or personalized stories, your voice will remain the consistent. This consistency is key not only from branding, but also creating a reliable and engaging user experience. To leverage the full potential of NVIDIA AI, consider visiting to the resource section of this course where you will be able to find Notion documents of Magic Box prompts and NVIDIA AI prompts. Here you can access detailed guidelines, examples of effective prompts, and further insights into making the most of NVIDIA AI. Let us get straight into AI voice cloning, where I will show you how to record, then upload, and which script to use for recording. I have already gone ahead and added my voice, but now let us add our voice again. So click here to add voice, and then there are instructions to follow in order to clone your voice. The first instruction is submit a recording of at least 30 seconds. So your recording should be minimum of 30 seconds. If it is 1 minute, it is okay. Then you have to mention, I give NVIDIA AI the permission to use my voice in this workspace. And third is have a natural sounding speech, which is pause in between sentence like you normally would. And last instruction is kind of optional, which is use high quality recording equipments. If you have a mic, that's good, but if you don't worry about it. You can simply use your own phone as well as your own laptop's mic and it will be just fine. Make sure to follow all of this instruction. And now you might be wondering, what recording should I submit or what should I say? You can simply say anything in this 30-second recording. You could simply read a book, read an article from your phone, as well as you can use this script which I found to be perfect from voice cloning. This is the script I was talking about, which is hi, I am XSX or Manthan or input your name and I give NVIDIA AI permission to use my voice. Go ahead and please feel free to record your voice reading from this script in this Notion file, which I will provide in the resource section. Additionally, you are more than welcome to record your voice reading from any book or any resource you like. Again, don't worry if you are recording your voice from smartphone or laptop, it will work just fine. After our voice being uploaded, we have to make sure that all of these criteria are fulfilled, which is this is my voice and I have right to it, which is yes. This voice sample includes the permission to clone. Voice sample includes natural pauses and fillers. And then this was recording using a high quality equipment. And click on my samples look good. As you can see, I had used a random script talking about rapid APIs. And then permission user is verified and the user voice is created. So make sure to click on done. After the cloning process, assign a memorable name to your newly cloned voice profile. This name is what you will use in the future video prompts to apply this voice. For instance, if you name your voice John, simply use John's voice in your video prompt. After naming our clone voice, click on this use button to directly use our voice. Now let us play around with our AI clone voice. We have used the prompt which is food tips from older age people. Keep it fun and fast paced, keep the language simple and don't persuasive. avoid any fillers and fluff sentences. And again in the setting, we are going to use my own voice and then click on generate a video button. We have covered everything that you need to know from InVideo AI, which are magic box, edit options, regenerate history. In the next lecture, I will show you how to export your videos in the best quality available in InVideo AI. And with that simple prompt, our video is ready with our own AI voice cloned. Now let us preview our video. Have you ever pondered about the secret to aging gracefully? Well, one of the most powerful tools is right under your nose. Yes, it's the food on your plate. As we age, our dietary needs change, and so should our food habits. Today, we are going to unveil some food tips that are not only beneficial for your health, but also... Wow, now that's something, right? It is pretty insane. Like in just couple of seconds, it has not only created entire video from the prompt, but it has also used our own voice by cloning our voice. And that's the power of InVideo AI. Although the voice generated in my video was pretty clear and accurate to my voice, but let us fine-tune even more. Great, now you know how to use your own voice in your videos by using voice cloning technique. Again, make sure that you specify the name of the clone voice in your prompts. For instance, use my voice, which is John. Alright, I hope you got my point. One tip for you. If you're not satisfied with your voice right now, please re-record your sample and try uploading again, so that next time it will generate better and more natural human sound. Here's to give you a little glimpse of the comparison between my clone voice and a voiceover. Pack a giant bubble wrap suit and roll into the black hole and explore your own private planet.
Pack a giant bubble wrap suit and roll into the black hole and explore your own private planet.
Alright, I will see you in the next lecture.